So guys, today's video unboxing blind bags with my friends. Okay. Here's my friends and this is
My brother.
He's not my brother. He's the dumb one and this is the smart one. So go back to your seats.
What the hell?
Hey, just shut up. So guys, today's video we're opening a Mr. Blind Box and this One Piece that he recommended because he likes One Piece.
Ah!
Now give me the scissors.
Which one?
Do you want to be circumcised?
Ah!
So guys, which one do you like to pick? Set, din ninyo. Yan ako na.
Yeah.
So guys, let's open it with Ken's bad luck.
What? What do you mean by that?
Okay, we got this Luffy.
Oh la la.
Luffy. Ken's crush, aka.
What
The video because he's so dumb.
Rar.
Okay. So guys, next we're gonna open the
The mysterious kid is here. Everybody. Oh no.
So guys, we're gonna open the mystery blind box.
Hindi ko. Kamay yan lang. Bala si mama.
We got a squishy, guys. Squishy.
Gusta ba squishy?
Squishy.
Oh.
So guys, we're gonna throw this
Out the window.
guys. We got this. So guys, hope you like this video and bye. And this is the background character and he's so quiet and he so bye guys.